Toothless Resellers back with you guys. I have been sourcing today. It's the only day I've been able to source all this year. Unfortunately, I live in New York, so it's been winter. So today I went and I got me a nice big tote of some mystery objects. Let's take them back to the house and go through them and see what's all in there. Now that we're back at the house, I'm going to go ahead and open up this tote so you guys can see what's in it. Now just to remind you guys, I only paid $50 for this. Now when I open it up, we're going to see a bunch of boxes. There we go. I have not looked through any of these yet. Don't seem like it wants to stay together though. So these are what we call cherished teddies. As you guys can see, they got some of the price stickers right on top of them. Boom, boom. Now when I looked this up, I found this on Facebook Marketplace. And it was $50 for this whole tote. It says there's more than 50 of them in here. Which, if there's 50, I only paid $50, so $1 a piece can't really hurt. Especially when I'm looking them up on eBay, and they're going for a lot more. So let's just open up this top one. Okay, so this one is a cool looking house. What's this? It looks like some type of certificate. So, oh, this is cool. Look how small that little teddy is. That's ridiculous. Look how small it is to my thumb. So, put this back in here, and I'll open up a couple and see what these things look like. So a couple of these ones right here were already opened up and laying around, so that way you guys can see what these things look like. If we take and turn this thing around, it got a number and stuff right there. Now if we tilt this guy here up, they got like little registration numbers, what year they were made and all that. Let's see if I can get it to focus. No, okay, so that one was made in like 93. Then we got this one right here. They all have the little markers. These ones don't have little registration cards with them. If we come over here, I opened up this box. There are like 26 of them right here on the top part, not including this one over here or these guys. Just right here on the top. So we also have a bottom layer. So there is probably about 50, 55 of them in here. But this little guy here just came out of this box. They do come with their own registration. I don't get what this little square thing is. Maybe it's like a stamp or something. I don't know. But it goes with this guy. He's like a little bumblebee, and it's really cool. If we look on the bottom, got more. So it got its own registration number and that. So as I was looking up on eBay, these can go for the little ones, like something like this. This one right here can go anywhere from $5 up to $20. Just depends on who you buy it from, which eBay store you buy it from. And then some of them, like this one over here in the box that you guys just seen. This one right here can go for tens of dollars. Like I'm gonna say, I think this one right here was like $39.99 or something like that I could find. That's the only one I could find of it. So I'd say I get a little bundle here. It's not too bad, but I'd like to go through and see some more of them. Let me move this guy right quick over here. I just want to see how deep this thing actually goes. Yeah, see, there's a whole nother row down below here. They all feel like they've got stuff in them, so I can't complain. I just want to get down in here and see. All right, they all look like they're the same cherished. See, they've all been opened by the looks, and they maybe was stored somewhere. There's no idea. All I know is I'm going to look them up, see what's going on. I might put some things up on the screen. I may not. Subscribe down below. Hit the like button. Toothless Resellers out.